Hi everyone, today we are in Lucca and I'm excited to show to you this charming historic villa dating back to the 16th century. This villa is located in a strategic location, only 10 minutes from the city center, only 30 minutes from the international airport of Pisa, less than 1 hour from Florence, and last but not least, less than 30 minutes from the Versilia coast and Forte dei Marmi, one of the most exclusive seaside destinations in Italy for the beaches. This estate features an exclusive villa, an elegant private garden, a panoramic swimming pool and a wonderful limonaia. Come with me in this incredible journey. At the end I will tell you the price. The property is spread over 875 square meters with 10 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, and is composed by a stunning villa of 500 square meters with 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, a characteristic lemon house of about 135 square meters, 85 square meters annex, a private chapel, a panoramic swimming pool and 3.5 hectares of land with 700 olive plants. Now we are in one of the living rooms in the villa. The house extends over 3 levels and spread on 500 square meters. Here we can breathe the historic charm of the property and the classic style with all the prime finishes and the Carrara marbles. And the property, as you can see, was perfectly maintained during the time and through continuous preservation works. Now we are in the ground floor, in this spectacular and colorful dining room. On my right side there is a cozy living room, and on my left side there is an eating kitchen open to a very nice garden. Then there is a study room, guest bathroom and a laundry space. A grand staircase leads directly to the first and the second floor. In the first floor, we have an elegant and large living room with an independent entrance from the outside. The level includes 2 different bright bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and an amazing terrace overlooking the garden. The second floor can also be used as an independent apartment and consists in fact of a living room with a fireplace, a kitchen, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. I'm in front of the limonaia that was designed to protect the citrus trees during the winter time. This house adds an important and elegant value to the estate. It was completely renovated, spread on 2 different levels, 135 square meters with a large living room and the kitchen, 2 double bedrooms with bathrooms. It's actually the perfect guest house. Now we are in the swimming pool area of the property. As you can see, we are completely surrounded by olive trees. And actually, this spot offers a panoramic view on the surrounding hills of Lucca, creating actually a relaxed and luxurious oasis where you can enjoy the stunning Tuscan landscape with your friend, guests and family. You will love the numerous outdoor area of this property, such as this beautiful pergolato and all the covered terraces. You can actually feel the historic importance of the property. In fact, the garden has the Italian heritage constraint. Look at the statue behind me. This estate is perfect as a family house, living here for the entire year, enjoying the peaceful of the countryside, but with all the comforts of this strategic location. It's also perfect as a holiday home for who wants the tranquility of the countryside while enjoying the proximity to the exclusive seaside beaches of Versilia. I thank you guys to being with me in this extraordinary villa in the hills of Lucca for sale at the price of 3.5 million. We see you in the next video tour and follow us on YouTube.